much. My name is Mthobisi, popularly known as Mthobisi Dlamini. I'm currently serving as the National Coordinator of Umkhonto weSizwe, a National Task Team. Myself, I'm just a student activist. I love students and I hate injustice everywhere. So my responsibility as a student leader, I try by all means that I make sure where there's injustice, I make sure that there's justice. I think the first thing that is our responsibility, because we work as a collective, is to establish structures of the MKSM from province until we get to lower structures of the MKSM. And then the second thing that we'll be focusing on, or that we are bringing on the table, is that after 2016, if I'm not mistaken, it seems as if there was a plot in Nzwama University to destroy student activism. So our responsibility as MKSM now is to revive student activism so that whenever there are issues, there are no students who are scared to speak out. They are going to be suspended, expelled, arrested. So our responsibility is to make sure that we make everyone understand that it is important for us as students to understand what is happening, and then are we having the same education, are we having education that we're supposed to have. So that's what we are coming with. Obviously, some of the things we'll get them from the people that we are leading. I think one, you need to know that all these parties, they've been here for quite some time. One, I will speak about student organizations that are there. They don't speak for students anymore. You can see that even when there are issues that are affecting students currently that they are supposed to be speaking about, but they are not speaking about those issues. So the reason why people must join the MK party is that we speak about issues that affect poor people. We speak about issues that are going to assist the Black marginalized. So that's why they must join, because we are the only voice that is going to speak for poor people.